Okay, lesson 3, we are going to deal with area of circles. Now, I just want to point out that in the last lesson we did circumference, and circumference was pi times the diameter, or 2 pi r. Now, this one we are dealing with area, and to get the area of a circle, it's going to be pi r, and we're going to square the radius. Now, not any number, but most numbers, when you square them compared to timesing it by 2, it would be bigger. For example, like if I said 4, well, 4 times 2 would be 8. If I squared 4, it would be 16. So most of the time, your area of a circle is going to be bigger than the circumference. It only makes sense because we're squaring numbers instead of timesing it by 2. So that's how you can remember the difference. You could also remember the difference by, this is C equals pi times D. Cherry, pie are delicious. C, P, D, cherry pies are delicious. An area, apple pies are too. Cherry, pie, delicious. Apple pies are too. Okay, let's go. Number 1. What is the area of the circle? Okay, area is pi r squared, and they give me my radius. So area equals pi, I believe we're using 3.14, 1.75 squared. And you want to square that first. Number 2. Cole was making a chicken and spinach pizza for his friends. The pizza has a diameter of 21 and 9800ths. What's the area? So you need to divide the diameter by 2 before we can plug it into our equation. So let's do that. 21.98. Divide that by 2. 10/99. Take our equation. Area equals pi r squared. So pi times 10/99, and I want that squared. Okay. Moving on. Now you just actually solve them out, but I'll just help set them up. Number 3, a circle has a radius of 24 feet. What is the area? Again, our equation is area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi. Radius is 24. You got to square it first. Number 4. Sun drew a design for a campaign button. She needs to order the correct size. What's the area? They give us the radius. Formula, area equals pi r squared. Pi 3.5 squared. This is number 5. What is the area of the circle? They give us the diameter, so we need to divide it into 2. (1/16). Area equals pi r squared. This is my radius. So pi times 1/16 squared gives me my area. And there we go. That's it.